In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark in Adobe Acrobat Pro. A watermark is a simple way to label your PDF with text like confidential, draft, or your organization's name, so anyone who views or prints the document instantly understands its status. I'll walk you through the process from opening your file to applying and previewing the watermark, along with a few helpful customization tips so it looks professional and unobtrusive. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once it's up, open the PDF you want to mark. If you see it listed under Recents, click it to load the file right away. If it isn't there, just open the document from your computer as you normally would. It's a good idea to glance through a couple of pages first so you have a sense of where the watermark will sit and how visible it should be against your content. With your file open, look to the top of the screen and click Edit. This reveals editing tools specifically for adjusting content inside the PDF. From here, choose Watermark. This is the feature dedicated to adding, updating, or removing a watermark throughout your document. Select Add to open the Watermark Setup window. You'll see a text field for your watermark content. Type the wording that you want. Something like sample, draft, or internal use only. Keep it short and clear so it doesn't distract from the main content while still communicating the message. Now take a moment to edit the text to match your needs. In this same window, you can adjust the font, size, color, and style. Many people prefer a light gray with medium opacity so the watermark is visible without overpowering the page. You can rotate the text, often to a diagonal across the page, and scale it relative to page size so it remains consistent across different page dimensions. Position controls let you center the watermark or move it to a specific area. If your PDF has charts or dense text, consider placing the watermark behind page content so it doesn't block key details. You can also limit the watermark to a page range if you only need it on certain pages, and use the preview to confirm everything looks right before applying. When you're satisfied, click OK. Acrobat applies the watermark across the pages based on your settings. Take a quick scan through the document to confirm it looks consistent and readable. If you ever need to tweak or remove it later, return to Edit, choose Watermark, and make your changes. And that's it. Your PDF now carries a clean, professional watermark.